Today, September 14th, this is the 1969 one-year-only Cadillac Deville Convertible rim blow steering wheel. This is a replicated steering wheel fully restored for my friend Paul at Westra in the Netherlands. I'm doing a functional validation test to show how the internally embedded rim blow steering wheel will function and provide continuity to this light bulb, indicative of the horn blowing once mounted in the car. So I'll go ahead and begin squeezing the rim blow steering wheel, and the light bulb comes on. Squeeze the ring and the light bulb comes on. Go over on this side, squeeze the ring and the light bulb comes on. Squeeze the ring and the light bulb comes on. Squeeze the ring and the light bulb comes on. Move to the upper quadrant, looking at the light bulb, squeeze and the light bulb comes on. Squeeze and the light bulb comes on. Squeeze and the light bulb comes on. So that's how the 1969 horn is actuated, by squeezing the quadrants positioned for high and low sensitivity in the variable dissimilar pattern as originally designed in 1969, and that's how the light bulb comes on, and when mounted in the car would blow the horn actuation at the proper amperage, which this is already set to the proper amperage. Very important that the amperage and voltage be accurate and correct. So this steering wheel has been totally restored for my friend Paul. He's purchased one of my core units, and it has a revitalized horn pad, which is beautiful. It has the silver argent inlay in the center. The Cadillac crest has been retouched and is beautiful, and of course it has the imitation wood grain inlay all around the front face of the perimeter, which is absolutely spectacular. This is a show quality steering wheel, several months in the making. Paul has been very patient, and he'll be finally getting delivery. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac, and I restore the steering wheels, the steering columns, the power antennas, and the power seats, and I have over 250,000 original vintage Cadillac parts from 1959 to 1976. Thank you very kindly.